Trello project management software tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Trello project management software that allows you to collaborate, manage projects, and reach new productivity peaks. So let's get into it. First, what you can do is you can go to Trello.com and you will land on this website right here. Trello is a project management software that allows you to create your own project, then you can create your own tasks, you can assign your tasks to team members and get more productive. Even if you have a small team or a large team, you will be able to use Trello. It has all the features and tools you need for your business. In order to get started with Trello, you can create an account for free with your email address. So enter your email address right here and click on sign up for free. Once you sign up for Trello, after the initial sign up or sign in, you will get right here. Now I'll show you how to get started as a complete beginner, how to create a workspace, how to create a project, and create tasks within Trello. First of all, once you get to Trello, you will be able to create your own workspaces. So each workspace has different boards and we can manage our teams separately. Let's create a workspace for Trello. Click on this plus icon right here and give your workspace a name. So I'm gonna call it Software Made Easy. Then we have workspace type. What kind of workspace this is, if it's a small business, education, marketing, engineering and IT, operation. Well, let's just go with small business. Then we have workspace descriptions. I'm just gonna write YouTube channel. Perfect. And now we will click on continue. We can also invite different team members to our workspace. For example, if you have a business and you have different managers, you have assistants, so you will simply invite them by entering their email address. I will do it later. So we have our own workspace. This is like creating your own company, and each company has different departments. That's how we can now create different roles for each department. Let's say that I was working for CRM. I created Trello for CRM. Then I will create a workspace known as CRM. Then I can create one board for sales, one board for marketing, one board for HR. So that's how it works. Now I have this YouTube channel, and let's say I have a project that I am working on. So I will need to create a board. We can create from different templates available, or we can also start from the scratch. Let's just go with this one right here. So you can see this is a preview for a board on Trello. This is what a board looks like. And I think this template is really easy to use, and I will actually show you how they created it. So let's just create a board from this and give it a title, videos. So we have a board now on Trello. You can see they have already created different lists for us, but if you want to create your own list, then you can do that too. So let's do that. And now I can just delete these boards and create one for myself. But actually, let's go ahead and create one from the scratch. Then you will get a better idea and we will be able to create a board just like this. This is an example for you how a board looks. In order to create a board, you can always go to the create section here, which says create board, start with template, or create a workspace. So I'm gonna click on create board and give my board a name. Let's just call it videos again. Workspace, visibility, perfect. We can also select a background. So for background image, let's just go with this one right here. Okay, and I'm gonna click on create. Alright, so this is our board on Trello that we have started from the scratch. This is what it will look like for you too. We can change a background anytime if we want to. You can see we have boards, we have the name, then we have workspace visibility. To change the background, you can go to show menu, then go to colors and maybe select a blank color, or you can also go for a picture. So let's just go with a blank color for now. Now we have different lists right here that we can create. First we have to do. Doing, okay, I don't want it to say doing. In progress. Then we have completed. I can create another list which says error, and we can add another one for maybe uploaded. So we have different lists now, and what we need to do now is create different tasks. Let's create a task in to do. So I'm just going to call it task 1. Click on add cart and your task will be created. Click on it and it will open it up. So now I can add description for my task. We can add members and assign it to someone. Then we have labels and I can add any label I want. Then we have dates, And here I can add a due date for my task, and that's what I'm going to do. Then we have attachment and we have a cover as well. So let's give it a cover. So you can see I have created a task. Similarly, I can create as many tasks as I like. Once you have added all the tasks in to do, now let's say that I am working on task 2. I will just drag it and drop it right here in progress. Then I can add this one as well. And once it's done, I can just add it to completed. And this is how we can keep track of all the different tasks that we are doing. And each team member has access to do so. We can just, move these different tasks from one list to another. Similarly, what we can do is we can add as many cards as we like in any of these different lists. It doesn't matter that you have to start from here. You can add a task in this list anytime you want. Click on these 3 dots and you will get more options such as add card, copy list, watch, automation, and archive this list. So in automation, we will be able to save time and create automations such as when a card is added to the list, report this person, or every Monday sort this list by recently added. So this is how we create automations. There are different power-ups available on Trello. Power-ups are like integrations that work on Trello, and we can add any power-up to our Trello, such as Slack, we have Google Calendar, HubSpot, any platform that you are already using. Then we have filter, where we can filter our search. We can also get different views on Trello. This is a board view, so we are getting timeline view, table, calendar, dashboard, and map. I prefer a board view because it looks really good and it is very clear to you. Similarly, I can invite members by this share option. Just click on share and enter their email address and you will be able to invite them. I can search for any of the tasks from the search bar given. You can also open up the menu here and it will show you different views that are available, and then it will show you the boards that you have. You can also switch between the workspaces by just clicking right here and it will open up all the workspaces you have. Similarly, you can click on recent and it will show you all of the boards that you have already opened up. I can always go ahead and create a new board on Trello. But this is how you will be creating a basic board on Trello as a complete beginner. Create and open up a task. Again, in task, we are getting a lot of different options. You can also add due dates and attach files. So we can attach files from our computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive too. This way, we will be able to create our own productive workspace online and we will be able to run a successful business. If you are running a small business, if you are into CRM and looking for a project management software, then go ahead and check out Trello.com. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.